In this video, I'm going to show you how to download as a PDF file in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to open your design, you want to download as a PDF. So I'm going to go with this one over here, and you want to of course click on it to open it. Now from here, there's going to be two options. You could either see this download button at the top, which is like an arrow down. So when you click on this, it's going to basically allow you to select your file format, and then in here you'll see a bunch of different ones, as well as PDF standard, which is best for documents, and PDF print, which is best for printing. I'm gonna go with the PDF standard right now, and then over here I'm gonna click on download, and it's going to basically download as a PDF. That's the first way to do this, but then sometimes there's not gonna be an arrow, there's simply gonna be a download button. So let me see if I can actually show this to you. If I go and click on, for example, I don't know, this one over here, it's going to show, as you can see, there we go, the download button. Now you can just click on that, and then from here you can also see the PDF. Just select the PDF, either print or standard. Same thing, click on the download button and you'll be good to go. It's going to save this as a PDF file onto your computer. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.